Hey guys, it's Chris. In this video, we'll check out Unior's specific wrench for Shimano Holotech 2 compression bolts. Okay, let's dig into it. Shimano type external bottom bracket cranksets are adjusted using a compression bolt, which pushes the left crank arm towards the crankset. Unior's Shimano compression bolt tool is made of hardened and tempered special tool steel and is chrome-plated to comply with EN 12540. On the back of the tool, it features a magnet to store it on your favorite Unior's external bottom bracket wrench. Unior's compression bolt tool can be used with a 13mm flat wrench to facilitate removal and installation. Okay, plenty of the good things about that small wrench. If you have any questions about Unior's specific wrench for Shimano Holotech 2 compression bolts, feel free to contact us or your local dealer and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.